Hi, today I'm reviewing the FaceTheory N20 PoreBright Serum. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, check out my Patreon community, or click on the links below. Okay, so FaceTheory is very excited to try this brand. They're kind of ordinary-esque, the ordinary-esque. They've got a lot of different actives and different products, and they're all mostly pretty affordable. Although, I think I picked this one up during the Black Friday sale. So, anyway. So, they also have an N10 version of this. And the difference is the N20 has 20% niacinamide. The N10 has 10% niacinamide. So, the PoreBright N20 Serum Pro contains a blend of trusted key actives, including a concentrated boost of 20% niacinamide and azelaic acid, proven to reduce hyperpigmentation, enlarge pores, and visible signs of facial photoaging, combat redness and irritation, and gently brighten skin. So, azelaic acid can be great for skin, especially if you have redness issues, rosacea, or just want brightening of your skin. Azelaic acid is great for that. Niacinamide is great for so many different things. 20% is pretty high. Most research on niacinamide is usually done around 5%. So, going triple or 4 times that, I don't necessarily know if there are any proven additional benefits of going 4 times the actual studied amount of niacinamide. So keep that in mind, because sometimes the sensitivities can be worse than just using a smaller amount. So not everyone needs the N20 serum. Probably the N10 will probably do everything this one does without the risk of irritation. So, okay. So my first criteria is packaging. They go with the standard dropper bottle, which I'm bored with the dropper bottle, but you know what? If some company could create personalized little rings or something to make them easily spottable, I don't know, whatever. Okay, in terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, this does not contain any of those. It is also fragrance free. The nice thing with FaceTheory is most of their products, they have a regular version or they have a sensitive skin version, which is fragrance free. So with most of their products, you can alternate. If you want scent, you can choose it. Or if you want fragrance free, you can choose that. So it's very nice. This is the fragrance free alternative. The manufacturing location for this one is the UK, so no issues with that. So ease of use. So they recommend applying a few drops. They recommend shake it to act. They say give this serum a gentle shake to activate. Apply a few drops to clean damp skin, concentrating on blemishes, fine lines, dark spots, and areas of hyperpigmentation. Personally, I just apply it to my whole face. But really nice liquid texture, absorbs quickly, sets to a non-tacky finish, and plays well with other products. Personally, I found I like using this 2 to 3 times a week, and then I can alternate it with other actives that I like using. Generally, I like to use niacinamide in the evening, but sometimes I'll use it in the daytime if I'm going to use something else active at night. If you are new to niacinamide or azelaic acid, I'd recommend starting out even slower, maybe once a week, and slowly work your way up to using it maybe every other night. It's stronger than the other version, so keep that in mind because it is strong, but tends to play well with other products, takes a minute or so to dry down, and sets to a natural finish that is maybe just a little bit sticky, but not terribly so. But typically, it is a little sticky. But typically after it soaks in, I'll apply another moisturizer over it. So I guess I didn't really notice how sticky it was until just now. Which is what I don't like about some of the ordinary products, how sticky they are. But anyway. Okay. Antioxidants and beneficial ingredients in this one. So we talked a little bit. 20% niacinamide. Niacinamide is great for brightening skin, anti-acne, skin barrier repair, antioxidant effects. I don't necessarily believe everyone needs 20% niacinamide. I believe most people can probably benefit from 5%, maybe 10%, but 20% is a little high, so I think probably the risk of irritation is probably more likely than any benefits coming from doubling or tripling the amount you use. We've got sodium hyaluronate, which is a humectant. Then we've got azelaic acid, which is an amazing ingredient. If you haven't tested an azelaic acid product out, I highly recommend you do. I finally Really got into azelaic acid last year, and it made a huge, remarkable difference very quickly. It helps with anti-acne, skin soothing, helps with redness of skin. Azelaic acid is great, so highly recommend checking it out. Then we've got aloe, which is a good hydrating ingredient, and calming. I'd love to see more beneficial ingredients in this one, but they are kind of ordinary-esque, where they're focusing on kind of building your own regimen around their products and not offering too many well-rounded serums. So you really use this with other moisturizers, which contain other beneficial ingredients and hydrating ingredients. So would have been nice to see a little bit more, but I get the purpose behind the brand. Okay, in terms of animal testing, this is cruelty-free as well as vegan, so no issues with that. Performance, so I love that for somebody like me, this combines 2 steps, azelaic acid and niacinamide. So that's a nice thing. It is very strong. I find if I use this too many days in a row, or even sometimes 2 days in a row, my skin gets too dry. So it's very strong, so it does perform nicely if you use it once or twice a week, but more than that can be a bit much. Then in terms of acnegenic ingredients, this does not contain any of those, so that's amazing. Very amazing. So price, so this is the full size, which is 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, and retails for about $32, making it affordable, but not cheap at the same time. So it's worth, before you check out, Googling promo codes for this brand, because typically you can find some good deal, which makes it a lot more affordable. I think I ended up paying $18 for this, because I got it during their Black Friday sale. Then in terms of the it factor, I really do like this one. Very nice product. I like the 2-for-1 combination effect that you got the niacinamide, azelaic acid in. If I were going to repurchase this, I would repurchase the N10 version, because I just don't find that niacinamide in 20% amounts has that much more benefits than 10% or say 5%. I just don't. Actually, I don't think there's any additional benefits. That's just me. Maybe other people have a different experience with it, but that's what I would do. And I do like this brand overall. So with a 10 being a perfect score, I give this one 8. It has a lot of good things going for it. Except for the niacinamide amount is probably a little bit too high for most people to use on a daily basis. So if you see this review and you're thinking about the N20, go with the N10. That's just my thoughts. So anyway, everyone's skin is different though. So anyway, I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to check this one out yet or not. And if you have, what your thoughts are, or if you've tried anything else out from FaceTheory. What have you tried and how'd you like it? So leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much.